Storybook tunes.
Froggie Hiccups.
Having the hiccups gets on my nerves. It feels like having a frog dancing inside my tummy. I just want to tell the hiccups to hush already. When I've got the hiccups, Mom says,
Drink a large glass of water all at once.
guess what? It doesn't work. Frogs can swim. When I've got the hiccups, Dad says,
Hold your breath as much as you can and try to swallow 3 times.
so much for my swallowing. The frog still jumps up and down. My best friend says, someone's got to scare you somehow. And someone did. That's some fearless frog for sure.
Will our hero manage to get rid of hiccups? Find out in the Froggie Hiccups book and ebook on Amazon in the description box below.
Thank you for watching.